Okay, morning traders. Happy Friday. You should be able to hear and see me all good. But yeah, what a flush yesterday, I must say, on the US markets as well as even the DAX as well. So just a massive, massive flush on the indexes. And I did speak a little bit about this on stream that we were trading that tight range to the high side. I managed to get a little bit of the shorts, which I shared in the group chat here on Discord. But yeah, I hope that you guys are having a good Friday. What's up, Anthony, Charlie, Jess? Good to have you guys all on in the Discord, and then obviously the guys watching online too. But yeah, just what a massive flush here yesterday. So let's go. We got a 15-minute time frame up here on ES, and I was actually speaking about how we were just coming into the 7,000 level and keeping on respect. We were just respecting that zone all the time from Monday. Monday had a nice bullish day, then Tuesday held it, Wednesday held it as well into NFP. And then we didn't actually get into it Thursday before the sell-off. And that was a pretty big sell-off. From top to bottom yesterday was literally over 140 points on ES. The NASDAQ was close to 650, and YM just obviously tanked very, very aggressively to the lows, almost 1,000 points. So we're continuously trading lower now. We do have CPR in the next couple of minutes, in literally 15 minutes time, and markets are not rebounding here overnight. Even the DAX is trading lower, as we can see. So it's going to be an interesting CPR print for sure, and I think that best to probably wait and then get positions after the market open. I hope that you guys this week has been good so far. I've had 2 green days. I've sized down, as you can see, on the road still. So sizing down, and we'll see what we do get. I'll be live with Andre into the open with you guys here on the edgeful socials as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But yes, I think it's been a good week to kind of just step back and pick your spots wisely in the markets. Obviously, NFP was moved to Wednesday this week, and then as well as CPR today. So, yeah, I mean, Mag 7 stocks here as well, pre-market, are not looking bullish at all. There's not one bullish Mag 7 stock. Everything's down. Nvidia's down 0.5%. Tesla down almost 1%. Amazon and Meta both down over 1%. So, yeah, I mean, it's going to be pretty, interesting to see if we do rebound here. Obviously, you can do whatever we want. What's up, Charlie? Good to have you on again. I remember you from a couple of months ago. Good to see you back on. Yeah, I mean, I would be favoring the shorts right now. I mean, at the moment, nothing's really telling us that we want to be, looking for longs at this point. I could definitely see us. We are respecting those previous week's highs. So on my chart over here, you can actually see the previous week's high over here, which we actually got above on sorry, this is DAX. Let's go to the ES chart. So we can actually see that we actually didn't get back up into previous week's highs, which was obviously formed on Monday, Tuesday last week before the sell-off, and we kind of just respected that 7,000 level, and we are trading completely now underneath that 7-day moving average. Everything is, it's not looking bullish at the moment, and I would likely maybe see a move back down into these lows here of 751, which is last week's lows as well. Okay, so that would be my targets for the shorts, back down over here, and on ES we still have 70 points down to those lows. Remember I spoke yesterday about that opening week range report, where after Monday and Tuesday, what's up, Frank? After Monday and Tuesday prints, we got a high and low setting, okay? And very rarely do we double break those highs and lows, okay? Yeah, Frank, I can see on socials and on the Discord. Good to have you on. So on ES, we can see that for that, okay, for that chart, so 33% of the time we break the high and the low. And if we go to that, let's get that indicator up over here. Let's just reset that like that. Let's get the indicator up over here. Opening week range report. edgeful opening week range. We can see we now have actually taken out those lows. So I would think that we continuously look to get to that level back at previous week's lows. I think markets are primed for that move at the moment. It's not looking particularly bullish. If we definitely break this level of support here at 800, 820. I think we're going to possibly be heading down to those lows. Do we do it today? I mean, clearly we can. We had a massive move yesterday. So, the markets are definitely picking up at the moment. VIX is also trading above 20. As you can see, it's trading at 20.85. So VIX up normally means then markets indexes are coming down. Stock indexes and stocks are coming down, right? So yeah, that would be my anticipation for the news. I won't be trading into it unless I was holding a runner from yesterday. But I managed to get some shorts, and I was happy with that with that trading session yesterday while being on the road. How's everyone else's week been? I hope that you guys have had a good one so far as well. And haven't put yourself in any predicaments. As I said, Andrea and I will be live for the market open. So again, you guys know what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for that screener to set up. Okay, give me that first hour of trading, see what we do get, and obviously what happens with CPI as well. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for at the minute. Okay, so that's what I'm kind of waiting for at the minute. And as you can see, we've taken those Monday and Tuesday lows on ES. So very rarely do we come back up and break the highs, and obviously we'll be far off of them at the moment. Just turn that off. So as we can see also from this chart too, okay, we can definitely see, let's go to an hourly. We can definitely see that we rallied up on Friday. Monday was very bullish as well. And then we kind of just sat at those highs. The car kind of like trapped buyers in at that level, 7,000. And then we just moved off of it yesterday quite viciously. So I would not be surprised to see us tap back into those lows. That's my prediction, but obviously markets can do what they want to. Any reports that you guys want me to cover for stream here today? I can, so if you want those indicators, the ones that edgeful have bottom left-hand side of here, and then if you want to get support, the quickest way to get support is over here, right on the right-hand side, the live chat. Okay, so that is the quickest way that you get support, fastest way to get help with anything edgeful related. And then they've got the Ninja Trader indicator access as well as the Trading View. Free Discord is in there as well. There's a lot of free indicators, free community stuff there as well for you guys. So again, what am I looking for on ES at least? I think if we hold this 900 level, okay, maybe CPI prints and we attack into that level and come back down, I think that would be good. But if we clear these lows again here, as I said, at 800, I think we definitely could be sliding back down towards previous week's lows, which would be 751, which would be from Friday last week or Thursday closed last week. Yep, down at 751, 770, call it. This area over here, like that. That's the extension that I would be looking for on it. CPI has got another 10 minutes to go till we print. So I would stay out of the market before then. And then come join Andrea and I live for edgeful's live session to end off the week. That's going to be my plan. I hope that you guys are having a solid week so far as well. Any questions in the chat with regards to any edgeful reports, anything like that? Yeah, the midnight RCT retracement. Yeah, I mean we could possibly see that today. But let's just see what happens with CPI. Okay, cool. Yeah, as I said, like just right now, there's nothing really telling me that we want to move higher into the CPI either. I mean, Nvidia is trading lower, so is Tesla, and all of the Mag 7 stocks, even on the broader market as well. I mean, Robinhood has been trading pretty poorly recently too. Robinhood of all-time highs at the moment, we are sitting over 100%, over 110% of all-time highs on Robinhood. Palantir as well, taking a little bit of a dip here too. We are sitting 59, 58% of all-time highs. So stocks aren't, even on the broader watch list, are not looking bullish pre-market. Interesting. Rivian's trading higher on earnings, up 22%. That's the only thing that's on the earnings, up 22% pre-market, yeah. But yeah, we'll keep this this pre-market today pretty short. As I said, Andre and I will be live for the open, and we'll see you guys all there. We got that set up, the live trading room set up. That will start at, the countdown will start at 9 a.m. We'll be on at 9:15, and then we'll see if we can catch anything with you guys to end of the week. How do you see MNQ for NY opening today? So pretty similar on NASDAQ. ES and NASDAQ will move pretty similar. So last week's lows on the NASDAQ is back down at 24,200. I definitely think if we hold below this level, yeah, like this, if we hold below this level here, 25, call it 25K, I definitely think that those lows are back in play as well. Last week's lows sitting at 24,250. So that's what I'm looking for. Obviously, anything can happen with CPI, but that's what I'll be looking for on NASDAQ and ES. Those previous week's lows, I think you want to trade back towards them. At least for now, what's printing on the charts at the minute. So very similar to what's happening on the ES chart. Perfect, guys. So we'll leave you here. We'll see you live for the open, and let's have a good trading session. Let's end the week strong. Don't give back profits from the week if you are up. I'm up on the week, so probably not going to look to give back too much. I'll look to pick my spots as always, and go into the weekend and have a good weekend. And we'll see you on from New York. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.